this week we're going to do something a little trickier. We're going to be editing two sentences back to back. So there's going to be more than one punctuation mark, and there's going to be more than one capital letter at the beginning of our sentences. So let's read the sentences together. The kids play with a ball. They are having fun. First thing I need to look for are my capital letters. They come at the beginning of the sentence. So I'm going to get my red ready. There's not a capital at the beginning of this first sentence. So I'm going to change it to a capital T in red. The kids play with a ball. This should not be a capital letter. It's at the end of my sentence, not the beginning. This is a new sentence. The kids play with a ball. That's a new sentence, capital at the beginning. They are having fun. Having should not have a capital letter. That's not the beginning of my sentence. I'm going to make it a lowercase h. I can check off my capital letters, and now I need to make sure there is punctuation. So when I end a sentence, I want you to say period. Here we go. The kids play with a ball, period. I'm going to add it. They are having fun, period. Let's add it. Check off my punctuation. Periods help us know that it's the end of a complete thought. Your idea is finished. Now we're checking for finger spacing between the words. The kids play with there's not much spacing there. I'm going to put a little space there. Ball. They are having fun. All right, our finger space is good to go. The last thing we do is reread to make sure it makes sense. The kids play with a ball. They are having fun. Looks good. On the next page, you are going to be checking some sentences and making the corrections.